How to present with impact. This is the 5th video in a series of 5 in which I, Gerben van Driel, discuss 5 elements of any impactful presentation as demonstrated by Mr. Steve Jobs when he presented the iPod back in 2001. A presentation that proved to be a pivotal moment in the history of Apple and also pivotal in the history of the music industry. In this video, let's look back a little, because in the previous videos we talked a lot about storytelling, and I get challenged a lot by my participants when I train them in this, and they say, you know, Gerben, it's all very nice and well, but I'm in business and my stakeholders, they don't want to hear stories, they want to see numbers. Well, first of all, I beg to differ, but second of all, I'm not saying you should never use numbers or data or whatever, right? Only if you do, when you do it, do as Steve Jobs does. For a neat example, watch this.
So let's look at portable music. Let's look at the landscape. The first thing, if you want to listen to music portably, you can go out and buy a CD player, right? That's one way to go. About 10 to 15 songs. Or you can buy a flash player. Go out and buy one of those. You can buy a MP3 CD player, or you can buy a hard disk-based jukebox player. These are the 4 choices for portable music right now. So let's take a look at each one of those. A CD player costs about $75, holds 10 to 15 songs on a CD. That's about $5 a song. You can go buy a flash player, pay about double that, about $150, holds the same 10 to 15 songs, or about $10 a song. You can go buy an MP3 CD player, and an MP3 CD, which you can burn on your computer, costs about $150, but holds 150 songs. So you get down to $1 a song. Or you can go buy a hard drive jukebox player for about $300. It holds about 1,000 songs and costs about 30 cents a song. So we looked at this and studied all these, and that's where we want to be. That is where we want to be. And we are introducing a product today that takes us exactly there, and that product is called iPod. iMac, iBook, iPod.
Yes, Steve Jobs uses slides. Yes, he uses numbers. But here's the trick. Only use slides and only use those numbers that are absolutely necessary to prove your point. Nothing more, nothing less, but certainly nothing more. So get rid of all those information-heavy slides. They dazzle your audience. They will not help you make an impact. Less, ladies and gentlemen, is more. If you'd like to learn more on this topic, follow me on LinkedIn or follow Speak to Succeed, or you could of course also drop me a line if you'd like to receive links to all videos in this series.